Unlocking the secrets of artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where machines think faster than the human brain, where algorithms can predict the future, and where the boundaries between reality and digital existence blur. This is not a distant future, it's happening right now. AI is no longer confined to science fiction or futuristic labs. It's in our homes, our phones, and even shaping global decisions. Yet, most of us only scratch the surface of what artificial intelligence truly is. What secrets lie behind its immense power? How does it work? And what does it mean for humanity? In this documentary, we delve into the unseen world of AI, an extraordinary revolution that's changing everything we know about technology, ethics, and even the very essence of intelligence itself. Chapter 1: The Origins of Intelligence. To truly understand AI, we must go back to its roots. From the earliest attempts to create machines that mimic human thought, to the groundbreaking work of visionaries like Alan Turing and John McCarthy, the story of AI is one of human ingenuity. In 1956, a group of brilliant minds gathered at Dartmouth College, sparking the birth of AI as a scientific field. These early pioneers had a radical idea: that machines could be taught to think, learn, and adapt just like humans. While the technology was in its infancy, the ambition was limitless. Early AI systems could solve simple problems but were far from the adaptable systems we have today. The first seeds were planted, and a digital revolution was born. Chapter 2: The Rise of Machine Learning. But it wasn't until the development of machine learning in the late 20th century that AI truly began to take off. The key was teaching computers to learn from data without explicitly programming every step. Machine learning, a game-changer, allowed AI systems to improve with experience, growing more accurate and efficient over time. Suddenly, AI wasn't just a tool, it was a learner. Systems could analyze patterns, make decisions, and even outsmart human experts in certain fields. From predicting stock markets to diagnosing medical conditions, AI began transforming industries in ways once thought impossible. We'll explore how machine learning powers modern AI, from recognizing faces in photos to driving cars autonomously. But how did this leap from learning simple tasks to mastering complex, data-driven environments occur? Chapter 3: Enter Deep Learning and Neural Networks. The answer lies in a revolutionary breakthrough: deep learning. Modeled after the neural networks of the human brain, deep learning systems are capable of processing massive amounts of data in layers, learning to recognize patterns far beyond human capability. These systems are the backbone of the AI powering voice assistants, self-driving cars, and real-time translations. In this chapter, we take a closer look at how deep learning allows machines to not just mimic human intelligence but often exceed it. Imagine an AI that can process millions of medical records to detect diseases before they manifest or forecast natural disasters with unprecedented accuracy. That's the promise of deep learning. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI systems grow more autonomous, can we trust them to make decisions on our behalf? How do we ensure they remain ethical and unbiased? Chapter 4: The Ethics and Challenges of AI. As AI evolves, so do the moral and ethical questions surrounding it. Can machines understand the consequences of their actions? Can they develop bias based on the data they are fed? The truth is, AI has the potential to do both incredible good and unimaginable harm. From facial recognition software that risks infringing on privacy to autonomous drones in warfare, the ethical implications of AI are vast. As AI begins to make decisions for us, choosing who gets a loan, who gets hired, or even who receives medical care, we must confront the question: can we trust AI? In this chapter, we meet leading AI ethicists and policymakers who are grappling with how to regulate a technology that's advancing faster than laws can keep up. We explore the dark side of AI's potential and the urgent need for transparency, accountability, and governance. Chapter 5: AI in Everyday Life. Though AI often seems like a futuristic concept, it's already deeply embedded in our daily lives. From Netflix recommending your next binge watch to smart assistants turning on your lights, AI is the invisible hand shaping modern convenience. This chapter reveals how AI is transforming everything from entertainment to education, from personalized shopping experiences to smart cities. Yet, with this newfound convenience, what are we sacrificing? Is the data we give up in exchange for AI-driven services being used ethically? Chapter 6. The Future of AI, Innovation and Uncertainty. The potential of AI is limitless. With AI, we could solve some of humanity's greatest challenges: climate change, disease, hunger. AI promises to revolutionize healthcare by diagnosing diseases early, develop new drugs faster, and make personalized treatment plans a reality. In the field of climate science, AI could help monitor and predict environmental changes, providing vital insights to combat global warming. But what happens if AI becomes too powerful? What if machines surpass human intelligence in ways that are irreversible? Will AI be our greatest achievement or our ultimate downfall? As we move toward a future dominated by AI, the stakes are high. We stand on the precipice of an AI-driven revolution that could redefine what it means to be human. But it's a future that requires careful navigation, where innovation must be balanced with caution. Chapter 7. Coexisting with AI, a New Partnership. AI's future is not about machines replacing humans. It's about how humans and AI can work together to create a better world. AI can augment human intelligence, providing us with tools to solve problems faster, make smarter decisions, and even unlock new realms of creativity. This final chapter paints a picture of what a future shaped by AI could look like. One where humans and machines collaborate rather than compete. In education, AI could personalize learning, helping students reach their full potential. In medicine, it could assist doctors in developing more accurate diagnoses and treatments. In business, AI can automate tasks, freeing humans to focus on creativity and innovation. The documentary concludes with a hopeful message. While AI presents challenges, it also offers unprecedented opportunities for humanity. The secrets of artificial intelligence are still being unlocked, and the possibilities are endless. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool. It's a doorway to a new era of human potential. But as we unlock its secrets, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for what's on the other side? The future of AI is unfolding before our eyes. Whether it leads us to unimaginable heights or poses risks we cannot yet foresee depends on how we choose to harness its power. The story of AI is the story of humanity itself, one of curiosity, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The next chapter? It's up to us.